Hi, and welcome to our brief how-to video for the ShiftMatch app. The first thing you will need to do is download the free ShiftMatch app. You can get it from the App Store, and it might look something like this. Or you can download from Google Play for Android, which might look something like this. Once downloaded, when you open the app, it will ask to send you notifications. In order to get alerts and badges from the app, you will need to click Allow here. Please also ensure that management at your workplace has initiated the use of the app. If not, when you try to log in, you will receive a message stating, "Sorry, but this organization is not allowed to access mobile apps and notifications." Please contact your management and we can get it turned on for your workplace. To log into the ShiftMatch app, you will need 3 items: a subdomain, a username, and a password. A subdomain is the unique ShiftMatch identifier for each organization. You can find your subdomain by viewing the web address in the browser bar when accessing ShiftMatch via a computer. You can see here that my subdomain is demo for my demonstration site. Once you log in to ShiftMatch on a computer, the subdomain also shows in gray at the top right of every page. Once you have your subdomain, you can place it here and use your usual username and password here to sign in. When ready, click Sign In. Once you've signed into the app, it will take you to the main screen, which has color-coded items listed. As a brief overview, the following is a guide to the color coding. There is a choice to view open schedule should your workplace use it. Filled shifts show in green. Shift requests show in orange. Open schedule shifts show in blue. And availability you've placed shows in red. The color coding is identical to the colors used on the site when logged in via a desktop. To add availability on any date, tap the blue plus sign at the top of the schedule. You can then choose the appropriate date to add availability and click Select, and then choose the appropriate availability. When ready, click Select and say Add. The availability was now added into the system and shows here on your schedule. If you would like to edit that availability at any time, you may click it, and it will allow you to edit by clicking the shift type or the availability type, choosing a different availability, click Select, and edit. If at any time you would like to remove or delete availability, you swipe left on the item to reveal the delete option. When ready, click the delete button. To confirm, you just say, "Yes, I'm busy." If you'd like to cancel the deletion, you click Cancel. Once deleted, it will no longer show on the schedule page. All shift requests will show on the schedule page in orange. This is an example of a shift request that's awaiting a response. We can click on the right arrow to see the details. If you would like to accept the shift, click the Accept button. It will again give you a confirmation if you want to accept or not, and you can click the Accept button to do so. Once you've done so, it will be updated on your schedule. It now shows as filled. Shift requests can also be accepted by swiping right on the listed item. If you would like to accept an open schedule shift, assuming that your workplace uses the open schedule feature, you can again click on the item that shows as an open schedule and see the details. You may also swipe right and click the Accept button in the same way. The shift again now shows as in green and filled. Because the app will allow you to receive notifications, you may also want to view those notifications at any point. You can click on the Notifications button here at the bottom of the page to see the details of any notifications you've received. You can see we have 2 confirmation notifications here. You can keep them or you may delete them. You can swipe to the right and delete. Once they've been deleted, you can update the notification page by pulling down on the screen. Your profile can also be accessed via the app, via this button. You can see details of your profile here. If you click on your own name, you can see your grade, your employment type, any governance items that are attributed to your profile, and any skills that you may have been assigned. You can also choose to order the message priority and how it comes to you. If I click that button, it will show me that I have chosen that the app notifications should be prioritized over text and email. If I'd like to change that, I can simply click on the app, the gray 3 lines on the side right, and move that where I would like it. If I'd like to move it back, I can simply click on it and drag it back to the top. Max Messages sets a limit to the number of notifications received in one day, and Urgent Shifts allows ShiftMatch to resend previously sent shift requests. Do Not Disturb turns off all notifications. Finally, personal details can be edited and adjusted. You can edit your cell phone number or your email address by tapping on the item and entering the new details. At any time, you can click on the Settings button here, and it will allow you to make some choices with regard to the display order of notifications, whether you want them oldest to most recent or in reverse order. Or you can click on the Help button and it will show some information with regard to the app itself. When you'd like to log out, you can click on the My Profile icon here. And at the bottom of the page, in red, you can click on Log Out. You can confirm and log out. If you no longer want to use the app at all, you must do a number of different things. First, you must log out before the app is removed from your device. If you do not log out and delete the app, ShiftMatch will try to contact you via app notification and not text. You should also note that you must log out of all devices. For example, both phone and tablet if you've logged in separately. ShiftMatch continues contacting any device via app notifications that is still logged in. Logging out of only one device will not automatically revert to text notifications. If you need more help with the app, first try the help screen located in Settings. If the problem is to do with your workplace, specific shifts or login issues, contact your manager or staffing administrator. If all else fails, take a screenshot and email it through, including as much information as possible, to apphelp@shiftmatch.zendex.com. Thanks for joining us for this short tutorial on the ShiftMatch app.